In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom JavaScript node in n8n. If you've ever wanted to tailor your automation to do exactly what you need, the code node in n8n is the simplest way to add your own logic right inside a workflow. We'll keep this clear and straightforward, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and where to paste your code so it becomes part of your automation. Start in your open workflow. To begin, look to the top right of the canvas and click the plus icon. This is your gateway to every node n8n offers, including the one we need for custom logic. The node picker will appear with a search bar, making it quick to find what you're after. Type code into the search field and select the code node from the results. This node is designed precisely for situations where built-in nodes don't cover a unique requirement. It lets you write logic that transforms data, filters items, or performs calculations directly as part of your workflow, so you don't have to leave n8n or spin up extra services. Once the code node is added, choose JavaScript as the language. As soon as you select JavaScript, the configuration panel opens. You'll see an editor where you can write or paste your code. This is the heart of the step. Your custom JavaScript runs here and plugs into the workflow like any other node. If your code expects incoming data from previous nodes, it will receive it through the items the workflow passes along. If your code generates data, it can output it in a structure that downstream nodes can use. Keeping your logic clear and self-contained will make it easier to maintain later. Now, paste your custom code into the editor. This is where you implement the exact behavior you need, whether that's reshaping fields, applying formulas, or adding conditional logic. A few practical tips as you paste. Keep variable names descriptive, comment tricky lines so future you understands the intent, and be mindful of performance if you're processing large data sets. If you rely on values from earlier nodes, reference them carefully so your code remains predictable. It can also help to handle potential errors gracefully inside your script, so issues don't ripple through the rest of the workflow. That's all. With your code in place, the JavaScript node becomes a natural part of your automation, running whenever the workflow runs and passing its results to whatever comes next. You've just extended n8n with your own logic in the most direct, flexible way available.